Hey, it's Jacob, and I want to share with you a couple of quick features you can enable in your camera on your iPhone to get better pictures every single time. No more wonky horizons or subjects off-center. I'm going to show you how to turn on the level guide and the rule of thirds, which means that you can always get great compositions when you're shooting your photos on iPhone. It's really simple to turn on. We'll jump into the Settings app, not the camera, and at the bottom we'll tap on the search bar here. Then we're going to search for camera, and we can tap on the camera settings when it comes up there. If we scroll down the page a little bit, you're going to see two toggles to turn on. One is for grid and one is for level. Now when I jump back into the camera, you're going to see two different things. The horizontal line in the middle shows you if your horizon is straight or not. If not, you might want to correct your phone slightly. And the grid is there to help you compose a photo using the rule of thirds. And if you've not come across the rule of thirds before, don't worry. It's really simple. You just want to try and get the focal part of your image on either one of those lines or one of the four intersections in the middle. That's where your eye naturally goes when you look at a photo. If you want some more quick tips for your iPhone, subscribe and then check out this one next.